Okay, so this is about Hurricane Katrina path map. This is the Hurricane Katrina history in here. The dark red, it means that's the category 5 storm. And this is the Katrina's track. It went to category 5 status in here, and it landfall in New Orleans very badly. If it damaged their house, they're looking for food and baby food, and that's very sad if they're damaging their house. In 2020 season, it broke the season of 2005 because 2005 reached only Zeta and 2020 reached Hurricane Iota. That's why. And 2, I'll look for another one. Hurricane Iota.
Yes, it is a staging
Wait,
approach.
Hurricane Iota path.
Yeah, go ahead.
So this is the Hurricane Iota path map in here. And it reached category 5 storm. It reached category 5 for sure. It went to 5 storm at here. Look at this picture. I want to be a meteorologist if I grow up. And that guy is a meteorologist. He's reporting about Ada and Iota. Ada versus Iota. So it reached category 5 storm. It went for first, and then if it landfall in Nicaragua, it went to 5 storm. It went to 5 storm, category 5 storm so badly. And look at these. This is all the hurricane season in 2020. And Iota is the strongest in 2020 record. It went to category 5 storm. And Hurricane Laura and Zeta and Delta were damaged in Louisiana. It struck on Louisiana for 2 times. And unless if there's a hurricane coming, you have to evacuate because of the storm surge. Don't forget that, and I'll see you next time. Bye!